Hello students, how are you? I am Dr. Kishore Kumar Rai, Associate Professor in English at PNS College Vaunsi under KSDS University Darbhanga. Today I am going to discuss the trial scene in The Merchant of Venice. This drama, The Merchant of Venice, is prescribed for the students of Shastri second part. I try my level best to make my lectures simple and comprehensible so that you may not have any difficulty to follow. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of England. He wrote several dramas. The Merchant of Venice is a remarkable drama of Shakespeare. Today, I shall discuss particularly the trial scene in The Merchant of Venice. The trial scene in The Merchant of Venice is the most significant scene in this drama. In this scene, Portia, who is a leading female character in this drama, appears in the court in the guise of a lawyer in order to save the life of Antonio, who was the friend of her husband Bassanio. Portia's wit, her intelligence and wisdom come to light in the trial scene of this drama. Antonio, the Merchant of Venice, had borrowed 3,000 ducats from Shylock, who was also a money lender of Venice. He was a cruel man. He was a Jew. He hated Antonio. He lent money to Antonio on the condition that if Antonio fails to repay the amount on the exact date, Shylock will have the legal right to cut a pound of flesh from his chest. Unluckily, Antonio could not repay his amount on the due date, so Shylock filed a suit in the court of Duke. In the court scene, Portia appears. Everybody who was present in the court appeals Shylock to save his life. But Shylock was not ready at all. He was bent on cutting a pound of flesh. In fact, Antonio and everybody became hopeless because Shylock was adamant. At this critical moment, the appearance of Portia in the court while the trial was going gives a new lease of life to Antonio. Like others,